thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do, thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no far from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through, thanks to you.
Could it be that the lady is me in the photograph? I'm afraid, 'cause it feels too good and I want it to pass. It's just not true. Couldn't ask for any more than you, because you look at me as though I'm beautiful. Could it be that you want me? I never dreamed someone like you could want someone like me. I'm not sure, but the more that it's real, the more it's right. Oh, what a night! It's a duel, we've been lovers all of our lives. Too much begun. Could it be that he's hurt me at last? Because you look at me as though I'm beautiful. Could it be the lady it's me? I never dreamed someone like you could want someone like me. All the pain and the pleasure's the same. It goes so fast. I am the girl with the strawberry hair and the photograph. So come on, let's dance. Let me have it while I have that chance. 'Cause there's another world where there are the girls, but tonight there's only me. I never dreamed someone like you could love someone like